Leo, good morning. How are you, Leo? Why you're so shocked? Why the face like that? You don't like me to greet? Good morning. Hello, my love is Snowy. You're here. I love you. I miss you. Sorry, I'm not coming you for 2 weeks because due to flood and cancellations of my duty. I'm very sorry. I miss you guys. Leo, you don't come with me? Lazy Leo. Hi, my love. My love, my love, my love. How are you, my Snowy? How's my Snowy? Huh? How are you? Why you're sad? What happened? Sleepy? You want to play with me? Still dreaming, Leo? Oh, you're a sleepy boy. What are you doing, my love? What are you doing, my love? Okay. Thank you, my love. You're so sweet. Leo, are you still dreaming? Okay. See you around. Bye-bye.